I would have got that. Why didn't I choose that? Did I not get the choice to choose that? I would have chose the blowout spray. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the FabFitFun Summer. And this guy, he actually came to my doorstep today on the 27th. And I have no idea why I have this one. But it says it's an editor box. I don't know why I have an editor box, because I have the year subscription. Like an annual, you know. So we're going to do him after the summer box. Before we get into it, a little bit more about FabFitFun. It is, well, this video one is not sponsored. $49.99 a month. I lied, it's not monthly, it's seasonal. So 4 times a month. Every season, duh, 4, yeah, anyways. And you get just different skincare, makeup, health, fitness, same thing, hair. Basically lifestyle box right here. If you're excited to get into this video and see what I got into my summer box and this little editor mystery box, whatever you want to call it, continue on watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload my new videos, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. Let's get into the actual, let's get into the summer box. And then if you saw my last FabFitFun unboxing, which I thought was the summer, I'll link that in the IN down below. Yeah, it wasn't the summer. The first thing that comes in every single FabFitFun is a cute little magazine. This one is, would you call it like collaborated with maybe? I don't know. But Gabby Douglas. Inside, it'll tell you all the description, the prices. You could have got this, or you could have got that, or you could have chose this, or you could have chose that, and all that other fun stuff. Has anybody tried Green Chef? I have not tried Green Chef. I've tried Home Chef, Hello Fresh, Blue Ape. Have I tried Blue Ape? Freshly? I think those are the only 3 that I've tried. So far, Hello Fresh is my favorite. Alright, so first in here, ooh, something in bubble wrap. So we have a Terre Mary Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. Are you glass? You have to be glass, because you're just now inside a whole nother bubble wrap. Yeah, you're glass. Oh, it's got a fancy seal. You can't see it, but it's got a fancy seal on it. Not going to take that seal off because I have several toners open. We don't need another one. But it says, oh, it's anti-aging. Why do I feel like this video is going to be boring? Next we have Moisture Reset. It's a phytonutrient facial oil. It's got flower extracts, avocado and pumpkin oils, and rice bran extract. It also did say on here, anti-wrinkle and restore. Are you like a cream? No, you're like a little serum. That's cute. A little pink color. Not going to be able to read the writing on there, but we're going to set you aside. I do enjoy getting skincare and stuff. I just got to go through all this other stuff that I have. So next we have, this is from Kate Somerville. It's a goat milk moisturizing cream. It says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. 100% responsible and 100% recyclable. Printed on FSC recycled paper, packed in 25% ocean waste plastic. Me. Well, it smells just like a moisturizer, so we can just kind of do a little dab. Which are probably expensive. So we're probably putting like $20 right there on my hand. Wow! It's gone! Like, I don't feel. Wait, what? Deeply hydrates, condition, and smooth skin. Yeah, I will definitely say it definitely hydrated, and it sunk into my skin really, really fast. Just so soft. Oh my goodness, right there where I put it is so freaking soft compared to... I know me doing this is not helping you whatsoever, but what magic are you? Then we have, what is it, from Tarte? No, it looked like it was from Tarte. It's purple. Purple's Tarte. This is from Winky Lux. It's a unibrow eyebrow pencil. A universal brow pencil. It's got a nice like little triangle little tip. So that was 1 little swipe, that was 2, that was 3, and that was 5. Yeah, I skipped 4. Oh, we have a foot cream from Terre. What? Terre. It's got Sicilian blood oranges. You weren't sealed. Oh yeah, you were. Yeah. Is there like an orange theme that I missed between Kinder Beauty and this? Forgot I just did a Kinder Beauty unboxing. Oh, it's got like mint, like menthol. I don't think it has menthol in it unless that's what Sicily is. Sicily? I like the way it smells. I don't know what Sicily is. Moving on. This is a Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. Ooh. I don't know if you can actually really see that on here. Shake gently and spray onto face and desired area of the body. I like the mister on it. I like it's nice and misty. Yeah, great descriptive words right there, Jessie. Oh, we have a Spongelle hand cream and coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. You're sealed. We're too late. Open it. Oh. I don't know what scent is sticking out, but it's not my favorite. And then, lastly, in my summer box, we have a beach towel. Oh, it's a tie-dye beach towel. That's so cute. I needed a new beach towel even though I'm not going to the beaches anytime soon. It'll still be a pool towel. I'm just gonna kind of just set you right behind me. Okay, let's go over a little little magazine really quick. I'm confused because I thought this was an add-on, but I don't remember adding it on. But it's the Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I wouldn't have ordered another eye cream because I do not need one. So I guess that came in my box too, and it was on the outside of my box. Do Not Age Guy Triple Peptide Eye Cream is $82. So I guess this was on the outside too. This came in my box as well. It's the Kula Mineral Face Organic Matte Finish Sunscreen Lotion SPF 30. And that's $36. What'd they do? I mean, I know I got some add-ons. Like, I specifically ordered this and this. This is just the Too Faced Hangover, 3-in-1. And it came with the Hangover Good in Bed Ultra Replenish Hydrating Serum. And then the Hangover 3-in-1, which is a prime, set, and refresher, I guess. But, I mean, okay. And then the only other thing is this Kanuka CBD Calming Eye Balm. Oh. I didn't realize it was an eye balm. I thought it was just a balm. Anyways, I guess I did buy another eye cream. But I went ahead and got on the Dr. Brandt one. So, anyways, so our cute little toner is $54. The Kate Somerville is $65. Our little foot cream. It does say it's got menthol. Just doesn't say it on here. Anyways, this is $24. And then our hand cream. I don't know what I did with the hand cream. Oh, it's right in front of my face. Our Spongelle Coconut Verbena hand cream is $18. My voice is starting to go. What the hell is happening? Then our little beach mist. This is $42. So the eyebrow pencil is $16. This HydroPeptide Moisture Reset Facial Oil is it's $120. We're just gonna gently set you over there. Why are facial oils and creams and serums why are they so expensive? Why? Completely forgot about this L-Space tie-dye towel because I threw it behind me, but it is $58. And then let's get into the little editor box. First thing first, we have a big ball of air. But we have I have two. This works. The Deep Sleep. What is it? The Sleep Together Calming Spray. So they gave me two. Nope, I lied big time. Yeah, I lied big time, you guys. That's because they gave me 4. Do you know how many of these I have? I just got, I'll link it in the eye and down below, but one of my Ipsy mystery whatever baggings, I've got like 4 of these too, so now I have like 8. I'm so grateful to have them because I do enjoy it, but I don't need 8. Will I ever go through 8? You know how long it's going through the sample? And they, oh, we have a Verb Gentle Cleanse Style Extender and Light Volume Dry Shampoo. I enjoy their little hair oil, so I'm excited to have their dry shampoo to see if I actually like that. Lastly in here, this is the Hemp Seed 3-in-1 Massage Candle. Oh, what is this box? Oh. Okay, but still, I didn't order 4 of those. So this is the rest of my add-ons, and it says on this little guy right here, it's like, does this box look familiar? In an effort to be more environmentally cautious, we're upcycling excess past boxes to ship out your purchases, including add-ons, edits, and shop orders. And then they're like, oh, help us and recycle that box. So I guess I did order, you know, these guys. I got 4 of these, so you can't even order 4 of the maxes. You can order 3 if you're lucky. But anyways, so yeah, I guess that really wasn't a mystery. Well, it was a mystery to me because I forgot that I ordered it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh yeah, and my box is all wet because it rained earlier, and the mail or UPS or whoever drops it off decides to put it on the very edge of our porch, so our awning drips all the water right on it. Can you see, like, that side's solid, that side's not. The side's a little squishy and damp and moist. It's kind of comfortable like this. What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today, what? That way you are notified on all my uploaded what?